There are several signals that you can tell whether or not your child is lying to you. So in this short video, I'm going to tell you 7 of those signals so that you can be more confident about how you respond. You're also going to see a few examples of some children giving off those signals while they're lying. So let's get right into it. Number 1, they pause before they speak. When you ask them a question, you may notice that they pause before they give you the story they're going to tell you. What they're doing is they're trying to decide whether or not they're going to lie. They're trying to decide what their story's going to be. So that pause is a real good indicator that they're not telling the truth.
Did you eat hot chocolate? Are you telling me lies? What's on your face? What's on your face?
Sauce.
What sort of sauce?
Black sauce.
Number 2, shifting eyes. They may immediately or within a short period of time look away, look up, look down, look sideways before they start speaking. This is another indication that they are not telling the truth.
What'd you eat? Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh. Oh, okay. When's the last time you had chocolate? Long time ago?
Yeah.
Oh.
Number 3, their breathing quickens. This may be a little bit more difficult to tell, but if you notice that their chest is going up and down a little faster, if they're breathing in more air during the time that they're talking to you, this is another indication that they may not be telling you what's true.
What were you eating?
Nothing.
Don't tell me you weren't eating anything. What were you eating?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
You sure you weren't eating anything?
I wasn't.
Are you lying to me? Are you lying to me? Look at me. Are you lying?
I don't know.
You don't know if you're lying? I think you were eating something.
I wasn't.
Number 4, body movements. It's really difficult to tell a lie and just be completely calm and sitting still. Usually they're needing to move their body in some way. A lot of times you'll see them lifting up and down their clothing or rubbing the side of their leg or rubbing their fingers together maybe. Something repetitive, some kind of repetitive movement. If you see that, another indication that they may be lying.
Makeup. What happened, Mommy's makeup?
What do you have all over your face?
Chapstick.
Oh, that's not chapstick.
Not chapstick.
Mm-mm. That's Mommy's lipstick.
Oh, lipstick. I like lipstick.
Where did you get it?
From Mommy's makeup.
And did Mommy tell you not to play in the makeup?
Mm-hmm.
So why did you go play in the makeup again?
I want to go again. I don't touch Mommy's makeup.
Oh, but I think you did touch my makeup because it's all over your mouth.
Number 5, facial indicators. They may touch their face in some way, scratch their nose, purse their lips, or bite their lips, or lick their lips, or something like that while they're talking to you. These are actually ways for them to distract themselves from the uncomfortable feeling. So are the body movements. It's distracting themselves from that uncomfortable feeling they get from telling a lie.
What'd you eat?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Nothing at all.
Oh, okay. It looks like you had a donut to me.
I did?
I think so.
No, I don't want it in my tummy party.
Number 6, adding extra details. For older children especially, they'll start talking a lot, giving a lot of extra details because they're really trying to convince you and themselves that what they're saying sounds really more plausible. And they think by adding more details, it'll do that. It really doesn't. It's an indicator that they're probably not telling you the truth.
Why did you wash your face? Was it dirty or something?
It's not dirty. It's not. See? It's not dirty.
Number 7, lots of I statements. Usually when you hear a lot of statements starting with I did this and I did that, Usually what they're doing is they're trying to deflect away from them being like separated from what happened. And sometimes that doesn't really mean they're completely lying. It means they're probably leaving some details out about how they were involved in whatever the situation is. Sometimes they're just straight up lying, and other times they're leaving out details so they don't seem like they're attached to it.
Well, who drew on Mummy's mirror?
I don't know.
Was it you?
No,
Who was it?
it's Batman. Batman.
Batman did it.
Now, if you're concerned that your child is starting to make a habit of lying, there is another short video on this channel that will tell you exactly what you can do step by step to help teach your children not to lie. And you can find that by clicking on the card on the screen right now. Parents, if you're struggling, something needs to change, and you can do this. I'll see you next time.